All right, so just a quick little video today. So today, we started by putting a new timing chain on this thing. It had jumped on the crank gear. Couldn't guarantee where it was at because we went and put a new 1-barrel carburetor on it, because I'll show you in a second that 2-barrel was just smoked. Couldn't guarantee which one was up or down. And on a flathead, the spark plug is over here, so you can't just tell when she's up or down. So the cylinder is here. Spark plugs are actually over the valves. So you really can't tell which end's up. So we had put that new carburetor on it. Carburetor has a pretty cool feature on it. We got it from the Jeepster man. That it has, turn around, it actually has an adjustable jet on it. So if you need to go up in altitude or down in altitude, you can adjust the jet right on the carburetor. I thought that was pretty cool. So I had to modify that, just for that reason. Because the old carburetor, it was toast. So carburetor, we did try putting some new hardware in it. Well, it just flooded the whole engine. So that you'll see that later. That's not for this Jeep. And then I'm gonna go through and just paint everything. Where's those gears at? We got a little bit everywhere right now. So the gears, you could tell they were they weren't too bad. You could see where the chain was hitting. So I would almost bet this is not the original set, or that 47,000 that this is showing is the first go. But, they've changed technology over time. So, one thing interesting with these, so on a standard timing chain set, it's easier to show you on these, you don't line up the dots, right? On a standard timing chain set, ain't this a mess? Standard timing chain set, you would line up the dots. Well, on these, you line up and you put the chain on and you count links. So the plate in the front actually tells you that they want, where's it at? Try to see it right here. They want 9 links. So you count 9 links from the dot to the other dot, and then you're good to go. So just continue to work on this old beast. Got to get this thing cleaned up. New head gasket on it, get it painted. Eventually she's going to go over to 12 volt, but one thing at a time. Eventually replace the vacuum wipers, because, well, those suck. So continue to follow for the old Willys content, and we'll see you here on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.